Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10 Lite 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. When we pick this one, we get access to some options about the camera we can manage. Now let's focus on this button here from the left, show grid lines. By just one tap here we can turn on the camera grid lines, another tap to turn them off. So the blue color suggests us that now this is turned on. As you can see here in the camera preview, we can see these lines. This is useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of third in photography or making experiments with composition. Also remember that these grid lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the left corner at the bottom, to this button to the gallery, we can't see them at the real picture, so the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily go back to the settings in the right corner and tap once again on this button, so for now they have gone. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.